I want to talk about the Mengarini variation in Sicilian defense, and it can be quite interesting. So let's see how it gets started. So basically, we have the king pawn move, the Sicilian defense, and at this time, what you end up doing is you move this a pawn up, which is a little bit different variation, and is called the Mengarini variation. Here you can see it, and there is a good nice trap here, so I want to kind of show you the trap so you're aware of it in your opening if you play or somebody else plays this variation for Sicilian defense. So basically white's plan is to move his pawn up and then kind of be a gambit, so you can direct this pawn to take that. And so white will usually move the knight here to kind of support this, but you end up moving this anyway, so you can see it is going to attack. So it's taken, you take, and then it's taken by the knight, and at this time we just move this pawn up to kick the knight around, so we kicking the knight back. And at this point we can move this pawn up, and now we got a really nice control of the center, and we are threatening to move this up and then kick this knight again. So usually the black will just play this up the pawn, so you can see it's attacking, so we can take it, and the queen takes it. At this point we just move the knight to the side, which is a little bit odd because normally you want to move the knight to the middle, but there's no other option, so you can kind of watch what happens next so you can see what the plan is. And let's say it's trying to get this bishop to attack this, for example, so you can just move this knight at this point, and basically now you can see if this knight goes into this square, it will be a triple foe, basically check the king and then attack the rook and also this. So to protect this, typically queen can be moved back, for example here to this spot, but then it won't help you too much because you can move this bishop here, and then you'll be having two things controlling the square. So typically black might move this one. Seems like a great move because now you are blocking this from going here and attacking this. But then there is a really nice trap here. Basically you can come and force the queen to move out. Let's say the queen doesn't want to move and it just takes this unprotected thing, and now here is the trap. Basically you can just take this bishop, giving a check, and let's say the king moves, and then the queen is gone. So that's a nice little trap to be aware of. Thank you for watching this short screencast, and you have a great day.